بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Brothers, sisters, in today's lesson, I would like to show you some tips and tricks in purlins and purlin connections. Guys, as you hear, I have this warehouse. I just created this one for test, and as you see here, when I make connection, it will go outside, and some of them there is no hole inside in the other side. So what's this, and what's the problem, and how we can solve it? As you see here, if I use, by the way, this is the single purlin connection, so which is this one. That's why we have bolt here, but it's not connected to here. It's not hole. Okay, so if I use this one or double, it will not go in the correct side. But by the way, the other side is correct. Okay, so how can I solve this problem? In this side, when I use the double or single, it will give me the correct side, and it's no matter if I select this one and this one. In this for this tutorial, as is here, I will select this one first. It will go in this side, and even if I select this one this time first, it will go in the same direction. So how we can solve this, and how we can make this one. By the way, there are some arrangements to how we have to arrange this connection. We have to decrease the thickness, whatever we have. Okay, so I think we have 330 is good. The bolt dimensions and the distance, even here maybe 30 and 30, maybe this one if it's 40 or 50 maybe. So there are some arrangements between these two, so we can arrange them. Let's say 50. This one we can arrange them if we want. We can make only one weld. If we one hole inside this one, you see, just like this. So there are some arrangements, but we don't talk about this one. Our topic is about how we can solve this one. When we make a double connection, it will go in the wrong side, which is the other side of the router. Okay, so when I double click here, I cannot find, if I go from the top to bottom, as you see here, we don't have anything to change the size. Here also we don't have something to change the size. We have this one, but it's staggering. It's not stagger. It's not this one. Anyhow, so here we don't have. Here the ribs, about the rib, this one. So how we can solve it? If we you see, when we change this one, we cannot find out the way and how to change this one. As you hear about the welds, and this one also about the library. Don't forget, brothers, sisters, don't forget that we cannot work with this one. Okay, so the other thing we have to work with, we know that this is like a stick in this side. So how we can solve this problem? We can mirror this one. Okay, we can flip this one, and it will go to the other side. First of all, we know this is 80 by 40, 3 millimeters. This one, by the way, here, as you see here in the purlins, I have in the purlins in the database, I added these rectangles, so I can use whatever rectangles I have. I can use them without any problem. If you want to this lesson, it exists on my Pshtewan page, so you can join that page, and after that you can get access to this tutorial. It's about 5 to 6 lessons. It's just for $10. the advanced lessons in advanced still. Anyhow, so how we can solve this is here, because this is parametric. It's not one by one. So when I change the distance, it will change. Before this one, let me copy this connection to the other sides. After that, I will see. I'll show you how we can make it. Okay, so I will use this one for the connection. I will select everything. So we sit together. If even we create it all. So I will show you this, the parametric one. It's not one by one. If I change the distance for this one, for example, as you see here, distances, it's 1000. Let's say 950. It will change with that one. Okay, so we come back to our lesson and how we can take it to the other side. Now we go to the alignment and just click invert section, and as you see here, all the purlin plates change to other side. As you see, all change to other side. Of course, and this is parametric one. So when I came over, bring back to 1000, it will go to the 1000. Oh, sorry, 1000, not 100. 1000. Yeah, as you see here now, I think we have in this one is the correct position. As I said, we can change the parameters for this one, and it will change for all because it's a group connection. So this is for today. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.